How about this, the 1980 924 Porsche? Now you say, 924, they weren't very powerful. This one's a turbo.
Right.
And I don't even remember these cars. Do you remember the 924 turbo? You grew up in the Porsche world.
He grew up in the Holbert world, so he had one that he raced, so I knew about them. Yeah, but it's got that crazy little offset hood scoop that is just the coolest thing in the world.
And then the color on this thing, Inari silver and onyx green over tan, is really different.
Inari silver, is that what they're calling it?
Yeah. Well, that's what
it is. It is. It's like a greenish silver.
It's really and it's onyx, Inari silver and onyx green.
Yeah.
So there's two greens or something. So how about the and this one's a double 2-liter as well, single overhead cam turbo inline 4.